I tested many vlogging cameras recently and now I'm gonna rank the 20 most popular vlogging cameras of 2024. Links to all of these vlogging cameras will be listed in the description below. Number 1. DJI Pocket 3. The DJI Pocket 3 is a fantastic little vlogging camera that packs a punch. With its 1-inch sensor, you get great image quality and low-light performance in a super compact package. The built-in gimbal and AI tracking make it a breeze to get stable cinematic shots. Battery life is solid and it charges insanely fast. Audio quality is decent and you can connect wireless mics too. The only real downsides are the lack of weather sealing and slightly fragile feel. But overall, the Pocket 3 is a winner and earns its spot into the great tier. Number 2. Sony ZV-1 II. This is a solid upgrade to the original ZV-1 vlogging compact. You get a wider 18 to 50mm lens which is great for vlogging and a bigger fully articulating touchscreen. The 1-inch sensor delivers good image quality and the autofocus is reliable. It's super portable which is a plus, but the lack of a viewfinder, short battery life, and 1/4 slowest shutter speed holds it back a bit. The ZV-1 II is a capable vlogging cam but falls into the good tier for me. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Moving into the full-frame realm, we have the impressive Panasonic Lumix S5 II. This thing is stacked with high-end video features like 6K recording, 10-bit 4:2:2, and no recording limits. The full-width 3:2 video is so versatile for different social media formats. Autofocus is a big upgrade with Phase Detect AF, and the 5-axis IBIS is incredibly effective. Photo quality is also excellent from the 24-megapixel sensor. Honestly, it's hard to fault the S5 II. It's a true hybrid powerhouse that deserves its place into the great tier. Number 4. Sony ZV-E1. Here it is, my pick for the god tier. The Sony ZV-E1. This full-frame beast basically takes the A7S III and optimizes it for vlogging. You get the same incredible 12-megapixel sensor with unreal, dynamic, range, and low-light performance. 4K 120p, 10-bit video, active stabilization, and a fully articulating screen round out the top-tier specs. Autofocus is rapid and reliable, and while it lacks a viewfinder, the ZV-E1 makes up for it with an arsenal of vlogger-friendly features. If you're a serious vlogger or YouTuber, the ZV-E1 is the cream of the crop, earning its god-tier status. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix G9 II. Last but certainly not least, the Panasonic Lumix G9 II. The G9 II brings some serious hybrid chops to the Micro Four Thirds world. Standout features include lightning-fast burst shooting, 5.7K video, and a high-res 100-megapixel photo mode. The new Phase Detect AF is a big step up from the contrast-only original G9. And while MFP sensors are smaller, the G9 II still delivers great image quality. Ergonomics and build are top-notch. The G9 II is a very compelling option, especially for wildlife and action, placing it firmly in the great tier. Number 6. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 has a larger 1 to 1.3-inch sensor compared to GoPro, giving it better low-light performance. It's easy to use with simple menus, excellent touchscreens, long battery life, and fast charging. The image stabilization works well for smooth 4K footage. However, the Bluetooth audio connection is susceptible to some interference in certain scenarios. I'm putting the DJI Osmo Action 4 in the good tier. Number 7. Canon G7X Mark III. The Canon G7X Mark III offers great stilled image quality, especially in low light thanks to its 1-inch sensor. The tilting touchscreen and mic input make it appealing for vloggers. However, the 4K video quality lags behind some competitors, and there's no built-in viewfinder. The G7X Mark III goes in the average tier for me. Number 8. Canon PowerShot V10. The Canon PowerShot V10 has a clever vertical design and integrated kickstand that works well for vlogging. The 4K video quality is solid, but the non-removable battery life is disappointing at only around 50 minutes. And the auto mode doesn't allow for much flexibility. I have to put the PowerShot V10 in the average tier. Number 9. Panasonic Lumix GH6. While the Panasonic GH6 is a video beast, you get 5.7K 60p, 4K 120p, ProRes recording, great in-body image stabilization, and unlimited recording times. The new 25-megapixel sensor delivers excellent image quality too. The GH6 has a durable weather-sealed build and comfortable ergonomics. Easy decision. The Lumix GH6 is firmly in the God tier. Number 10. Canon EOS R6 II. The Canon R6 Mark II is hands down the best camera I've ever used. It just gets out of my way and lets me nail the shot with its incredible 40 FPS silent burst shooting and amazing autofocus that recognizes any subject. The R6 II delivers stunning image quality and handles like a dream. This is peak hybrid photo/video performance. The EOS R6 Mark II earns its place in the God tier, no question. Number 11. Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III. The Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III is a solid upgrade over the previous EM5 II, bringing it up to par with Olympus flagship models in many ways. You get a 20-megapixel sensor, faster processor, face detect AF, and better image stabilization, all in a compact, lightweight body. Image quality is very good for a micro Four Thirds camera, with excellent detail, color, and dynamic range. I'm placing the EM5 Mark III in the good tier. It's a very capable camera but doesn't quite reach the level of grade. Number 12. Sony A6700. The Sony A6700 is a big step up from previous APS-C models from Sony. It's got an upgraded 26-megapixel sensor, the latest AI autofocus system, and advanced video features. The image quality is excellent with great dynamic range and high ISO performance. Autofocus is also fantastic, reliably tracking all kinds of subjects. I have to put the A6700 in the great tier. This is one of the best APS-C cameras out there right now. Number 13. Nikon Z30. As Nikon's entry-level mirrorless model, the Z30 is aimed primarily at bloggers and content creators. But it's no slouch. You get the same great 20-megapixel APS-C sensor and image quality as the higher-end Z50 and ZFC. It's got a fully articulating screen, decent 4K video, and very good autofocus performance. The Z30 earns a spot in the good tier for me. An excellent option for beginners or as a compact backup camera. Number 14. Nikon ZFC. Oh boy, the Nikon ZFC. I really wanted to like this camera. With its beautiful retro design inspired by the classic Nikon FM2 film SLR. But in use it's just not very practical. The lack of a proper hand grip makes it uncomfortable to hold, and the retro dials slow you down. Image quality is fine but nothing special. So are Nikon, but the ZFC gets thrown in the bad tier. All style and not enough substance. Number 15. Insta360 X3. Finally, we have the Insta360 X3, a 360-degree action camera. I'll give Insta360 credit, the X3 is very easy to use and the ability to reframe your shot after the fact is really cool. But the actual 360 video quality is just not good enough, especially when viewed on a larger screen. For that reason, I have to reluctantly place the X3 in the bad tier as well. A fun creative tool, but not a great all-around camera. Number 16. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a solid little vlogging camera. It's got a flip-out screen, great autofocus, and decent 4K video quality. The built-in microphone is better than most compacts, but still not amazing. Battery life is just okay. Overall, it's a good choice for casual vloggers who want something small and easy to use. But more serious creators will want to look elsewhere. I'm putting the Sony ZV-1 in the good tier. Number 17. GoPro Hero 12 Black. GoPro's latest action cam is a minor update to the Hero 11 Black, but still a great choice for adventurers. You get incredible stabilization, an ultra-wide lens, and tons of shooting modes. The UHDR video profile helps in tricky lighting. The low light performance is still lacking compared to bigger cameras, and the Hero 12 is very similar to its predecessor overall. A solid action cam but not a huge leap forward. The Hero 12 Black earns a spot in the good tier. Number 18. Sony Alpha ZV-E10. If you're a creator looking to step up from your phone or a compact, the Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic option. You get a large APS-C sensor, interchangeable lenses, and a fully articulating screen. Autofocus is excellent for stills and video. 4K quality is great, aside from some rolling shutter. The lack of a viewfinder is a bummer though, but for the price, the ZV-E10 is one of the best YouTube cameras around. It easily makes it into the great tier. Number 19. Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 packs a lot of power into a small body. The 26-megapixel sensor delivers great photos and 4K video. You get 5-axis IBIS, snappy autofocus and Fuji's lovely film simulations. The new HDR video mode is handy too. Downside, the plasticky build, small EVF and single UHSI card slot. But the XS20 is an excellent hybrid camera for the price, making it a great tier pick for enthusiasts and bloggers alike. Number 20. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Canon's EOS M50 Mark II is frankly a bit disappointing. Yes, it has a 24-megapixel sensor, fully articulating screen and decent dual-pixel AF, but burst shooting is slow, 4K video is heavily cropped, and there's no IBIS. It's also barely an upgrade over the original M50. Casual shooters will find it capable enough, but there are better options for a similar price. The M50 Mark II sits in the average tier. Not bad, but nothing special either. So there you have it. These are my personal ratings for all of the most popular vlogging cameras of 2024. Links to all of these vlogging cameras will be in the description below. Do you agree with me on these rankings or not? Leave a comment down below and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.